Come test drive the 2019 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, engine block heater, 4-wheel disc brakes, ventilated front seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, navigation system, driver vanity mirror, overhead console, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.